guys. I'm gonna either stain it or paint it, so you'll just come along with me. And it's kind of just like vlog style because I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. Please disregard my appearance. I'm in my paint pants. I have a hat on, so you know this is real life. This is what I do on the weekend. So anyways, if you want to see me kind of give this little fireplace a new look, then keep watching. With the mantle on top, just like a little ledge that's stained, look really good. I'm gonna go in and paint this trim that you see here white just to match everything else. Times have changed. This room's just a little bit outdated, but it's looking good. This is its first coat. It's got to dry. No more of that orangey wood tone. It's gonna look better when this trim gets done too, so. Can't believe I'm on camera like this. It's whatever. It's a Saturday, this is real life. I wanted to show you what I picked up from my most recent trip to the Goodwill. This was a Goodwill that was about 30 minutes out for me, and I went to see what they would have, and then I strolled up on this bad boy. If you recall, I was telling you guys I wanted like to do like a piece of wood or a mantle or something for above the black fireplace, like with a natural finish, and I legit found a mantle, and I'm gonna show you the price. Can you see that? That says $2.99. $2.99, $3. You can't buy just wood for that price. This is the exact size that I needed. There is a hole right here that they probably drilled to run some like cables or something. You could fix that with like some expanding foam and then sand it down, wood fill or whatever. For now I'm just gonna sand it down to get this finish off of it, and then I'm gonna stain it, and yeah, so if you guys want to see me do that, stay tuned. Fiber Tough square sander. I don't know what the technical term is. I'm using a 220. I'm going to start out with a 220 grit sandpaper. This is how we are looking. Let's see if I can zoom in. There's the hole. I'm not concerned about it. So this is the progress so far. There's a little scratch that I'm trying to buff out over in this area. As you can see, my cord doesn't reach that far, but I'm still working on getting that sand, and then I still have to do the sides. I'll give you guys an update when I've got that done. top up here. I'm not a professional painter. I'm sure it could use some touch-up.